How to fix GTA 5 missing launcher files. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying if your GTA 5 is just constantly crashing, so there's a few different things that you can go ahead and do. The first one is going over and then just going over to Steam. If you download it on Steam, I'll show the Epic Games version as well. Go over to your library. You're going to see a lot of different things here, but from here, go ahead and find your GTA 5. So this can work on both Enhanced and Legacy. All you want to do is right click, go over to Properties, then go to installed files, and then what you want to do is verify the integrity of the game files. Now this is going to check if there's any corrupt file or missing file, and then it's going to replace it with a new fresh one. And then same thing goes for Epic Games Launcher. All you want to do is open up your Epic Games Launcher, and then I don't have GTA 5 installed through Epic Games, but I'll show you exactly what to do. Let's just say, let me just go to a game I have installed, press the three little dots on GTA 5, then go over not to options, but go over to manage. And then once you're here, what you want to do is verify files, and then you'll be good to go.